Fliki AI is offering a 50% discount on its yearly plans for a limited time as a part of its Black Friday deal. To get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and then log in into your Fliki account. Click here on upgrade and then make sure that you have selected the yearly plan over here because this coupon code only works on the yearly plans. Copy this code from here and then select any plan that you want and click subscribe now. On the payment page, click here on add promotion code and then paste the code that we just copied. Click apply and you can see that we have received a 50% discount on our plan. If you want to go for a monthly plan, then select monthly and then use the coupon code FlikiAI10 and you will be able to get a 10% discount on the monthly plans. After getting the discount, you can go ahead and complete the payment. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to use Fliki, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.